What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start an LLC if you live in New Jersey. So starting an LLC and getting your whole business started could be a little bit intimidating when you don't know where to start, and especially if you want to make your business official. So in this video, I'm going to go through the whole process. It's really going to be real fast and easy. First thing I want to mention is that when you get your LLC, I want to make sure that you always reactivate it every year. So in the beginning of the year, or you have around like 3 to 4 months to renew it every year to keep it active. If you don't renew it every year, it deactivates, or you have to pay like a pretty heavy penalty fee, so for a late fee. So I always like to mention to everybody, especially when they're starting the business, to make sure that you renew it every year to keep it active. Second thing I want to mention is that once you get your LLC, to open like a business bank account, a business credit card, you're also going to need to get an EIN number. An EIN number is like a 9-digit number that you get from the IRS, and this is like the social security of the business. This is something you get one time, and I like to personally always keep it like on my phone or on like Google Drive or something like that. Keep it in hand, because like when you open up like a business bank account, business credit card, they're going to ask for that. They're going to ask for that EIN number. So I always like to keep it like on my phone and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get the LLC done. If you want to follow along with the whole process, I'll have the links of what I used in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can just click that, follow along. Highly recommend you to get this thing done today. Follow along, do it. Do not procrastinate, because I love to procrastinate. Do not procrastinate, get this business going. Being your own boss is one of the best things that you can potentially do. Let's go. So in front of me here, I have Tabler brands. Highly recommend you to use them if you're trying to grow a business and get a business started. So for this video, we're going to be talking about New Jersey here. We're going to go down to New Jersey, click New Jersey, and click Get Started. So you want to have a business name already in mind. For me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller. I sell full-time on Amazon. This is what I do for a living. So let's say I wanted to open up another business. You don't need to type in LLC, because it's going to do it for you. And we're going to check if it's available. And boom, it is available and good to go. We're going to click next. And now they're going to ask you a few basic questions. We're just going to click next here. And now they're going to ask you, what stage am I currently in? Let's say taking the first few steps. When are you planning to launch Midtown Power Seller? Let's say in a few weeks. And then what industry are you in? So any letter that you put here, you will see a bunch of categories like B, C. So we're going to put e-commerce for me, because selling on Amazon's e-commerce. And then what do I offer? It is physical goods. You can pick services here if you want. And then when are you planning on hiring employees this upcoming year? For me, it's always me working by myself, so it's a no. If you have partners or employees, you can click yes here. If you're not sure, you can also click there. Let's go here, and now you're going to put the zip code of the business or your home as well, whichever works for you. And now they're going to also ask you, is it going to be an online business, a brick and mortar, or on the go business? For me, it's online. Click this. And now what are you planning to do for your business? So we're going to do the LLC and also the EIN number. Just click these two here and click next. And now they're going to ask you, what have you done already for your business? I have not done any of this, so we're going to skip this. And now they're going to ask, how did you discover Tabler Brands? We're going to click YouTube, because if you're watching this, YouTube it is, right? Do you want a free business plan? Yeah, why not? So let's click next. And now you're going to put your personal info here. I'm just going to fill this in real quick. Boom. And now they're also going to ask you, do you want Tabler Brands to get an EIN number for you? It's only $99 for them to do the EIN number for you. If you want, you don't have to pay anything. And when you get your LLC established, you would just go to the IRS website and you can apply for an EIN number. It's pretty easy, in my opinion. You can get it done pretty fast. But if you don't really like to use computers and you're not really tech savvy, then you can get them to do it for you. For me, we're going to use this for this example here for them to get it for us. We're going to click next here. Now they're going to ask, do you want 𝗤𝙀𝙀 Brands to be your own registered agent? Honestly, I am always my own registered agent when it comes to all of my LLCs. I recommend you to be your own registered agent. It depends on your situation, but like 95% of the people watching this would be their own registered agent, because if you live in New Jersey, there's no reason why you wouldn't be your own registered agent. When you hire somebody as a registered agent is when you're trying to open up an LLC and you don't live in that state. So like, let's say if I lived in Florida and I'm trying to open an LLC in New Jersey, then I would have somebody as a registered agent to open the LLC, because you need to live in that state to open an LLC in that state. Why would people even do this? Is because for tax benefits, some states have better tax benefits, but that's like if you're like a multi-million-dollar business already and your CPA recommends you to do something. So that's a whole nother game. So I recommend you to be your own registered agent. I'm always my own registered agent. So let's go back here and you're gonna click I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is actually gonna be yourself. You're gonna click next here. They're gonna ask you, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Click yes. Now they're also gonna ask you, do you want 𝗤𝙀𝙀 Brands to renew the LLC for you every year? It's gonna cost $199 extra to automatically renew it every year. Or if you don't mind renewing it yourself, you can click here. Honestly, you have 3 to 4 months to renew. So like you have a big time frame. It all depends on your situation. For me, I mean, that's enough time to renew it in my opinion. So I'll do it myself. We're gonna click next here. Now they're gonna ask you a couple things like, do you want branding toolkit? Honestly, no thank you for here. This is something that I personally will get though. Expedited filing time. You pay a little bit extra, $49, and you get your LLC filed in 2 business days. So you get it done and up and running in 2 days. Let's say if you have a lot on your plate and you're not really ready with your LLC, you're just, you know, you can do the 14 days and not have to pay anything. So it all depends, like I said, on your situation. For me, I pay a little bit extra, expedited filing time, 2 business days. Oh, you only have to pay $49. Let's do it. So we're gonna click next here. Now they're gonna ask you, do you want an operating agreement? I personally don't think you need this. I'll figure it out myself. And then they're gonna ask you, do you want like, you really don't need this here as well. This is, you can click next here. Do you want invoicing and bookkeeping? No, thank you. And now, do you want to get notified by 𝗤𝙀𝙀 Brands for your LLC status and all that stuff? Yes, I would like to get notified. Click next here. And now you're going to get the light version, the essentials, and the elite. But remember what I talked to you guys about earlier. We got the EIN number. We pay a little bit extra for the EIN number, and we got the expedited filing. So if you also click this light version, right? Click here. It's going to show you exactly that right here. You have to pay the state. This is the New Jersey state filing fee. No matter what, you always have to pay the state filing fee every year, and you always have to pay this. Like every time you renew the LLC, you always have to pay the $129, right? The expedited filing is $49 that we paid extra for. We also got the EIN number as well. So the total today to open up your business is $178. That's it. Now to open up your LLC and get it filed and done in 2 business days, you're just gonna put your card info, pay, and you're all set and done. And that is literally how you get your business started. You get your, literally fast and easy. Get your brand started, your business, real fast and easy. Do not procrastinate on this. Like, I love to procrastinate, and honestly, opening up your business is one of the best things that you can do. There are the highs and lows with a business, and I've always worked for myself, and the more work I put in, the more reward you see. It's like unlimited potential. So I hope you're excited to open up your business. Take that initiative, take that next move, and get this started. If you're still watching, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This channel is pretty new, so anything like that always helps me out, especially like a comment, a like, a subscribe. It means the world to me. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you get your LLC started. If you want to follow along, like I said, links are in the description as well as in the pinned comments. That's about it. Peace.